What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to share two of the absolute best all-in-one technical analysis indicators available on TradingView. These game changers offer multiple insights without cluttering your chart with unnecessary information. So whether you're a newbie or an experienced trader looking to improve your analysis, buckle up because I'm about to reveal these tools and show you some simple strategies you can try with them after watching this video. As always, nothing in this video is financial advice. It's all for informational purposes only. First, we're going to head over to the Indicators tab on TradingView and search for Scalp Tool and have the following one by Demesh on your chart. But before we dive into the indicator, please take a moment to show your support by clicking on that like button, drop a boom in the comments below, and subscribe while hitting the notification bell. This way you'll never miss an opportunity and an update from my channel. Let's get started. The Scalp Tool has been specifically designed for short-term trading for scalping. It combines components like volume weighted moving average, or the VWMA. You will also see these bands which are used for support and resistance, and then lastly the relative strength index to identify oversold and overbought zones. Next, let's head over to the settings to show you how to customize the indicator for a specific approach. First, under the Inputs tab, we are going to unselect the following options, as we'll be focusing on the signals generated by the two relative strength index indicators that are running in the background. Then head over to the Styles tab and unselect the following, as we'll be incorporating price action as a part of our analysis. Now that we have made these customizations to the indicator, let's explore the exact rules for entry. So for the first example, I've selected the British pound against the US dollars in the 5-minute time frame. For a valid buy trade, we are waiting for the Scalp Tool to identify a buy position using the RSI, which has been marked with a triangle. At the time of the buy signal, price action needs to be located on the outside of the bands which act as floating support and resistance. Additionally, we are only interested in signals that are located close to the support or resistance zone, which has been marked with purple. Lastly, from price action, we observe a strong rejection away from the zone that has been previously tested. Once the candle is closed, we can enter our buy trade. For the buy trade, I'm going to place the stop loss below the recent swing and aim for a minimum 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Alternatively, you can aim for the next level of market structure if you like trading like that. Next, let's explore the other side of the spectrum with a sell or short trade. For this example, I've selected Bitcoin on a 5-minute time frame. For a valid sell trade, we are waiting for the Scalp Tool to identify a sell position, which is marked with a triangle, that is located outside the band. You'll notice by only focusing on signals where the market is overextended, we can avoid these false signals. Next, the sell signal needs to be located away from the tested resistance zone. Lastly, from price action, we observe a bearish engulfing candle with the rejection. Once all these criteria are in place, we can enter our sell trade. For the sell trade, I'm going to place my stop loss above the recent swing and aim for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. What you'll notice is that this all-in-one tool offers incredible flexibility and customization. It's recommended that you backtest the indicator and strategy against your preferred time frame and instrument. And today's video is sponsored by TraderEdge. Man, it's seriously a game changer in trading. Remember how we used to mess around with spreadsheets for backtesting? Well, this tool leaves all that old stuff in the dust. Believe it or not, it's 3 times more effective. And here's the cool part. TraderEdge gives you this thing called an edge score. It's super handy when you're trying to compare different trading strategies, making it super easy to see which ones are on top. Seriously, don't miss out on this. Check out their website. I dropped a link for you in the description. And guess what? Signing up won't cost you a dime. Yep, it's free. Now, let's move on to the next indicator and strategy. On the chart, we've got the AUD-USD in a 5-minute time frame. Under the Indicators tab, we are going to search for Standardized MACD Heikin-Ashi Transformed. This advanced oscillator is designed to overcome the limitations of the traditional MACD, providing a more robust and standardized measure of momentum. By incorporating the Heikin-Ashi transformation, the standardized MACD offers a smoother visualization of trends and potential reversals. Additionally, for further confirmation of our analysis, we are also going to add Chiral channel to our chart. Then under the settings of the channels, unselect the following options and then scroll down to enable these two. The reason is we'll be incorporating the culture channels as part of our analysis. Now that we have all the different components for a valid sell trade, first we're waiting for price action to go outside the culture channel. Then we need a sell signal from our standardized MACD. Once we get the sell signal, we need to pay close attention to the MACD histogram. For the sell signal to be valid, we need the histograms to be red and below the zero line. The color of the histogram can make a big difference to the signal quality because it's showing the underlying strength of the trend. Lastly, we can take a closer look at the price action for our final confirmation. From price action, we observe a strong rejection away from the resistance zone with the histograms now going red. Once all these criteria are in place, we can enter our sell trade. For the sell trade, I'm going to place my stop loss above the recent swing and aim for 1 to a minimum 1.5 risk to reward, which means that for every 1% of your account that you risk, you should aim to make a 1.5% return. Next, let's take a look at another trading example. For this example, I've selected the GBP JPY in a 5-minute time frame. For a valid buy trade, first we're going to be waiting for the price action to go outside the bottom culture channel, which is marked in orange. Then we're waiting for a buy signal from the standardized MACD indicator. Once we get the buy signal, it is important that we pay close attention to the MACD histogram to identify the momentum of the trend. If the histogram is red, you need to skip the trade. However, for the buy signal, we see strong bearish momentum from price action and the histogram. All this means is once the candle is closed, confirming the signal, we can enter our buy trade. For the buy trade, set your stop loss a couple of points below the recent swing and aim for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. By combining multiple indicators and cross-checking their signals, we're able to enter another winning trade. The TradingView indicators shared in this video are completely free to use, but if you're interested in the best premium indicator, I personally use Lux Algo Premium for all of my trading, and I highly recommend it to you if you're looking to make more profitable trades with an easy-to-follow indicator. It's trusted by over 50,000 traders. I've got a link to it in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And if you want to see the trades that I'm actually making, like this one I recently posted that got a 147% return, check out my free Telegram channel and join my All Access Patreon. Links to both are in the description below as well. Become a better trader and check out my next video where I share another amazing trading strategy with the best indicators on TradingView. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.